see a small demo of how to record lecture using Zoom. Now here, why I am showing you all these demos, because only telling the theory and what kind of tools are there, it will not help you at all. So firstly, let us understand that how we have to record the videos. First thing is, we have to come up with the content. We have to prepare our PowerPoint presentations. So first, prepare your PPTs and record your PPTs by giving your voice, or you can show your face. Face and PPT both can be recorded, screen and face, or only screen recording can be done. Zoom is one of the wonderful application which provide facility to have different meetings plus facility to record your lectures. So what you have to do is just go on the zoom.us website, and on Zoom website you can log in by your email ID, and after logging in you will be able to have meetings, different webinars, then you can have recordings, and Zoom provides wonderful feature to record your video. You just need an internet connection when you are recording your Zoom. And second thing is, whenever you record, that recording gets converted into MP4 video directly and in a smaller size. So being a teacher, you will be able to use Zoom as a recording software. So how it works, I will show you the demo of it. We will see how to do lecture recording in Zoom. I think all of you know how to do a login for zoom.us. What you have to do is just open any URL and go on zoom.us and create your account. It just, you have to fill your basic information about yourself, your email ID, and create your own account. From this account, you can schedule your meetings also, and you can record your lectures. So pre-recorded lectures can be done in Zoom. So Zoom can be used for many purposes. You can have live sessions, you can contact with the students in meetings, and you can have recording of your lectures also. So after logging in, what you have to do is just download the Zoom app from Google. Go on Google and download Zoom app. So this kind of icon will be available on your desktop. So when you click on this, I will show it again. When you click on this icon of Zoom, blue color icon, two options will be there, that is join a meeting or sign in. Now I don't want to join any meeting right now of others. I just want to sign in into my account. So I will type my email ID here. That is my login ID. So after putting my email ID, I will type my password here. Okay. And I will just sign into Zoom account. So after signing in, you will get this kind of screen over here. So in this screen, what you have to do is, you just go on the home, and in home, there will be four options, that is new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. Now I want to record my lecture for my students. What I will do is, I will go on new meeting. So after going on new meeting, these kind of screen will be available. So if you want to open your video, you can open from here. Right now for demo purpose, I am not using it. What I will do is, I just want to record my lecture. So here on this option, here you can see some options are there. The left hand side is the microphone that you are using right now. Then start a video. If you click on start a video, your face will be visible. Some security options are there. You can see participant over here. Only one participant is there, that is me. Then chat box, share screen, record, and reactions. So here you have to use two options, that is share screen and record. For example, if I am sharing my screen here, it will ask me which screen you want to share. Okay, so I want to open this and I want to click on this PPT, and after clicking on this PPT will be visible to all, and I can explain to my students whatever I want to explain, whichever slides are there in this PPT. So you can see over here, just like we are using PPT, I am using this PPT. and I can explain my students about whatever I want to tell them. So I think you got how to share the screen in this. Before that, here I can stop the screen sharing, but this is option for screen sharing. That means you can use PowerPoint presentation for recording your lecture. Now we will see how to record your lecture. Here is one option down, that is record. You have to click on this, and when you click on record, your voice will automatically get recorded here. And you can see the pause button is there, stop button is there. In between, if I want to pause, I can click on pause button. And if my recording is completed, then I can click on stop recording. So here I will start whatever I just spoken with you all. It got already recorded in Zoom because the record button is enabled. So I'll share screen here, and I will actually record few 2-3 slides for you. So we will come to know how it gets recorded. So my dear friends, today we will discuss about e-education and content development. You can see over here, there are some objectives of this webinar, and we have to play lot many roles, and we have to use so many e-tools for it, and there are many challenges in front of it. So now if my recording is over, so my whole lecture, whatever lecture I want to record, it is recorded. I will, here you can see down, stop share is there. Then if I want to pause share, it is possible to pause. And in more, you can see pause recording, stop recording, disable participants annotation. So many options are there. If I want to stop recording, I can stop here, or I can stop after going on the main screen. I can stop share here, it will get stopped. And on this recording, I will click on stop recording. When I click on stop recording, click on the end meeting button. So end meeting for all. When you end meeting, the recording of your lecture will automatically get saved. This kind of window will appear, and your recording will get saved. We will see how it looks. So it will take few seconds, or if the recording is bigger, that means for 1 hour or half an hour, it will get few minutes to record. So now this is saved, and you can see over here this kind of screen will be visible, and here Zoom.0 is my recorded video. So you can see it is a MP4 video automatically. We will see the properties of it. You can see type of file, MP4 file, and it got saved automatically, and size of it is 0.98 MB, means very small size. So you can see, if I want to show this video to my students, I can copy this video from here, and I can paste to my pen drive, or I can paste to my Google Classroom, I can paste to my WhatsApp, and I can save to